Lecture 19. Grammar, Some Common Errors. Imagine a singer-songwriter who performs both solo and with a band. She plays the same songs every time, but her solo performance is very different from her full band performance. When she's playing with the band, the audience generally don't notice if she sometimes plays a wrong chord or sings out of tune. This is because there are more people, all playing loud instruments at the same time. The audience is not focusing only on the singer, and the other sounds hide any mistakes. At her solo performance, the singer is alone with her guitar. The audience is paying more attention to her so they can more easily see her skill. But if she makes a mistake, everyone will notice it. Speaking is like performing with a band. There's a lot more to the conversation than just the words you say. For instance, the sound of your voice, your body language, and your surroundings. Small grammar errors will often go unnoticed if you can speak quite fluently. On the other hand, writing is like a solo performance. The little mistakes that you make are more noticeable, so it is important to learn how to avoid them. The Band 7 descriptor says that you should write frequent error-free sentences. It means that if you repeatedly make mistakes with your grammar, it will be difficult to achieve Band 7 in grammatical range and accuracy. In my experience, some of the most common grammar mistakes made in the IELTS writing task are the misuse of articles and the subject not agreeing with the verb. I will cover these grammar mistakes so you can show your examiner your best possible performance.